Mr. Speaker, sir. Reply to state question 139. Sir, at present.
In view of the newspaper report dated
Jingïakynad halor kasurok kabajrong rius pa mitar ha kabenta Happy Valley Mausbut Road kalawan ra jingyatai ha kiying dorbar tawan ha kasngi baar ha kabaka sorkar kala pentip ba kibor shipai kila menjur ban omkhang ya kajingyat paidbah syakmat bat syadin UMLA jong ka VPP uba Livingstone Karpran ulawan ra biang ya kani kam ha kasin kabalai da kabakdau ya kubor pathai kababu jingkeli halor ka hok snong jong kishipai ha katai kabenta kasurok katkum kot jingyatho barim ulakeli la kasorkar kan ai no ya kajaka klem sakian bad ulapan jingshai ru halor ka jingpek khmi ya kasurok ulakdau ya ka jingjia dangshen da kabalakenno ba kishipai kila persang ban pensange ya ka jingtai jingking halor kawa umken river Kumju ru UMLA ka VPP uba Arden Milar pasayau moj u lapen pau pa kajingïakynad hapdeng kipat ba bat kibor shipai kadang beteng ulaong babun kisnong kibaladon nadu menshwa kidang bat ya kihok trai snong Henry kini bun sin kim jusha itu da kibor yadari ulakentu ba kajingya penbet kadai ban kentup ya kibor snong om tang ya kajingkam jong kishipai Habajubab usembut Menteri Rangba ubapet ya kanat PWD uba perstun tensong ulaong bekat kum kirikot bala pensisha katai kabenta rius pa mitar kahap apo kajaka jingyadari Henry ula pentip ba ha kajingyalang kirki bala khot da Menteri Rangba kajala ukonrat sangma ha kasngi ningkong kabalawan benta da ki officer shipai bat ki he sorkar jala la menjur ba omdai ban penthut ya kajingyat kali sha batna Mausput village Ka district administration kan sepenmi ya ki hukum ban pentikna ya ka jingyat ka balat lut hadin bala penbet ya ki jingtho jingyalang hakabaya dei bat ka jingshai an u ba prestun tensong ulabtha ya ka jingjurip nia da ka district administration bat ka directorate of land records and survey ulakular ba onbu patba ya ki kot jingyatho khndo ha ka dorbar ban bishar patba halor ka jingpet jingkmi ya ka surok ulabatai ba ka kamram ka dei jong kibor yadari ki pedangshen ki ladep maramot ya ka benta syapang ka jingïakynad halor ka jingking wa umken un sadon ka jingjurip lang hadin u district collector bat ki officer shipai ban penbet ya ki jingkam khndo ki be kendu wat hapning ki jingkam traisnong uba prestun tensong ulaong ba ka jingtmu ba khmat e jong ka sorkar ka long ban pentikna ya ka jingyat patba ka balat lut ula menrap bawat la katu kani ki jingkam snong lalap bakim don nong rim an ka sorkar kadang trei banwat ya ka jingya penbet ka basuk hapdeng snong bat kibor shipai
will floor of the house, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that.
Sir, another question, sir. Sir, who was the authority to carry out the repairing and maintenance of the 6th route as of now, sir?
That portion, sir, it lies with the Defense Authority. And recently they have completed even the repairing and maintenance work.
Someone, sir. So in last few days and last week, that when the PWD people wanted to start the bridge construction at Puamkhen, which connects Chenta and Papi Badi. So it was reported that the same armies came to obstruct. I mean, they even removed the signboard of the village. So what do you have, sir, to say on this, sir?
Sir, relating to that new bridge construction in that Umkhen, we call it Umkhen River. Sir, yes, we are aware about this issue. Because again, it happens that some portion of that land falls under the defense land. Again, yesterday we have decided that the district collector will again go on the ground. The joint inspection has to be conducted, and very soon this issue will also be taken up by the district administration along with the defense authorities.
So I just request the Honorable Teaching, sir, to look into the matter seriously, sir, and to do the needful at the earliest.
Yes, sir.
Barton, please. Sir, I would also like to supplement some questions.
So we had discussed this matter in this House. And as we know, there has been a regular incidents where there is a conflict between civilian and the armed forces everywhere. The reason is that most of these armed forces, their attitude, the way they conduct with the local people, as if all local people are aliens, you know, and that is the attitude which make the local people not to be able to get along with the armed forces. So last time after we discussed this same matter, I was approached, sir, by the local authorities, where they rejected completely the claim of the GTC that 600 stretch belongs to the defense land. So they also claim that they have documents to prove that it belongs to the village. So as we all know, sir, village has come out since time immemorial. They were existed much before the armed forces came to this place. And we know the land holding system, the traditional land holding system, where hardly we will have, people who are having proper documents, because most of the time our forefathers, they are giving, land right orally only. So they are taking advantage of that situation. So having listened to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, when he said that the solution is almost reached, but I would categorically make a mention in this August House, as far as the mind of the villages and the local authority is concerned, if the armed forces still claim that 600 belongs to them, the solution is nowhere near as far as this land is concerned. So I don't feel that it is right to listen to one party only. It would have been better if the government, together with the defense authority and the village, decide on that portion. So may I know whether the government has initiated any step to convene the village authority together with the defense in the presence of the government to decide and settle this matter once and for all, sir?
Yes, sir. In fact, this issue, as I've already replied, it's being taken up from time to time in the level of the district administration and also in the level of our chief engineer. Both sides, be it from the village authority as well as be it from the defense authority. Sir, I think just to mention here, since I've already replied also the supplementary question raised by the honorable mover of this question, that land document can be placed on the table of the House. I think we don't need to debate much. And I've replied that yes, this land document will be placed in the table of the House, and once the land document is placed, I'm very sure clarity will come out of it. And sir, as mentioned by the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency, Aden Pasomoit, sir, as I've said, yes, meeting has been held, and we are going to again have a meeting. In fact, last year itself, I called a meeting even with the village authority. We have explained everything. I called myself personally. We had a meeting with all of them, because now the issue is only how to make sure that the traffic movement does not stop or does not create any kind of hindrances to the public at large, especially the villagers of the Mausbut village. So I think this is the real issue where we discuss. So sir, as I just mentioned yesterday, we had a meeting, a very good meeting, very productive meeting under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. That's why I replied that I think very soon we will come out of this chronic issues where we have from time to time, and I'm very sure we'll be able to resolve it once and for all. And right now, sir, we are just waiting for the proceeding that we had taken a decision yesterday.
So may I know from the Honorable Minister whether the local villages, local authority has been taken into consideration in the course of sorting out these problems, sir?
Sir, again, because see, the issue is about ownership. of that portion of land. Last year when I had a meeting with the village authority, I've explained them very, very clearly that claiming the land is not at all possible. But however, the approach, government in all level, we are there with them to make sure that the approach does not at all affect to the movement of the public from or inside the Maushpuch village.